Now it's time for Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a clean with me, a winter Christmas clean, and I'm so excited for it. So I'm actually starting off in the bathroom today because the bathroom is just, it's so easy to do, literally it's so simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything off of the sink and use my Flash bathroom spray and just wipe around the sink and the walls, and also I want to clean the cupboard as well.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin.
So next I'm going to go onto the bath, and the bath didn't really need a thorough clean because I'd cleaned it the day before. But what I'm going to do is just spray a little bit of Flash around and use the shower head to just wash it out. And then all I'm going to do is wipe the shelves down and also just wipe the toilet as well. Okay, so moving on to Olivia's room. Olivia's room just needed a little bit of a freshen up really. I need to put some clothes away, wipe the windowsill, just tidy up really, just make sure everything's all clean. And also her floor tiles, they just needed rearranging because they were just a mess.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Moving on to the bedroom just needed a little tidy up and a little bit of a freshen up as well. So I need to actually sort out my dressing table, my vanity mirror, just tidied that up a little bit, picked some things off the floor. I had a few plastic wrappers on the bed as well because I'd literally just filmed a clothing haul. So you'll see that soon on my channel, so I'm so excited for that. But I'm really not finished with the bedroom yet. Like, I've just got ideas for it and I'm not finished. I want to get some really nice pillows, some lovely bedding, some more Desenio prints, and yeah. So in the kitchen, I like to use Zoflora. This is my favourite winter scent. It's called Winter Morning. It literally smells amazing. So I'm going to pop that in the sink with all of my cloths. And the best thing about this is it's a disinfectant as well. So So now I'm just wiping down all of the sides. What I like to do is soak my cloths in the Zoflora and then rinse it out, and then I can use that cloth around the surfaces or my minky, whichever you want to do. And I'm just going to pull the kettle out and the toaster and just wipe behind everywhere. I'm not really doing a deep clean, I'm just doing more of a daily clean. This is what I would do, sort of an hour, and I would get so much done. So I'm just going to give the whole place a little bit of a freshen up, wipe the table, sort out everything that needs sorting out, and I'm also going to hoover as well. Now moving on to the front room, there was toys everywhere. So we were just about to head out to B&M, so I'm literally just picking up all of the toys, putting them where they need to go. Royal Family's on in the background because we do really love this. Pulling the table back to where it needs to go, wiping everything down, giving the cushions a little zhuzh, and also popping everything back to where it needs to go. I would usually put wax melts on, but because I'm going out, I'm not going to. So make sure you subscribe so you can see vlogs where I do all of that, because I get so cozy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me. I am definitely going to be doing more of them. I really enjoy them, and I love picking up new Zofloras and new products to use because, face it, I'm an adult now and I'm a mum and I love cleaning. So please subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!
In my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop, but somehow